Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Eat. Today we are making mint sauce. Let's begin. We need a bunch of mint leaves cut and washed. Put into the blender. Half a bunch of coriander cut and washed. We'll add it with the mint in the blender. We will need 4 to 5 green chillies and half a cup of water. 1 teaspoon salt or as per your taste. Half teaspoon red chili flakes. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1/4 teaspoon carom seeds. And now we will blend it. It should look like a thick paste. Now add 4 to 5 spoons of the paste in 1 cup of yogurt or as per your taste. If you want it really spicy, you can add more of the mint paste to make a sauce. Mint sauce is ready. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe and share. Thank you.